Hi, I'm Scott, and today I'm showing off our Delightly Stress Less kit. Every kit is hand-selected and ready to give, whether that's to your recipient's desk or directly to your doorstep. Packed securely within this magnetic closure box is the perfect gift for your in-office or work-from-home teammate that's specially curated for those looking immediate stress relief. Check out this 20-ounce stoneware mug with a matte finish and a Delightly exclusive design. Along with your favorite drink, this is the perfect first step to relaxing the day. Next up, we've chosen a soothing face mask from FaceTory for your perfect end-of-day ritual. This is made with chamomile flower extract and tea tree oil to calm and purify your day. Need a snack? Enjoy our Mango Ginger Chews. The warmth of the ginger and the unbelievable tastiness of mango take over and we lose ourselves in the moment. Not to pick favorites, but this might be the best part of the kit. We have included a USB travel essential oil diffuser and Happy Joy Essential Blend. Sit back, breathe deep, absorb the joy, and feel the stress melt away. Last but not least, all of our Delightly kits include a 3x5 card featuring a sweet sentiment. The back is blank for you to add a personal note or leave as is for ready-to-go giving. This kit is the perfect gift for anyone looking to de-stress from a long day. Whether they've been under a project deadline, are feeling under the weather, or could just use a gift that shows you care.